Hey everybody, it's Lon.TV, and we're taking a look today at some pixel frames. And these are kind of a neat little gift idea. I've been looking for gift ideas as we get into the holiday season for the tech people in your life. And this one, for retro video gamers, might be kind of fun. These are picture frames, but they're shadow boxes where you get kind of a three-dimensional look at a classic video game. I would liken these to those cells you can get of animation. And they've got these on kind of like a three-dimensional plane here where the sprites kind of stand out from the background, and the background has a couple of layers. And we'll open these up in a second. I do want to let you know as we're taking a look at these that I paid for all of these with my own funds. All of the opinions you're about to hear are my own. No one is paying for this review, nor is anyone reviewing or approving what you're about to see before it was uploaded. And this is a Street Fighter II one. This one looks pretty cool. So you got the car and the sprites in the foreground here, and then you've got the score up there. That's pretty neat. And then I got a Castlevania one here, and this one is of the NES Castlevania. And you can see how it's got like these little standoffs there in the back to make those things pop out. But it looks pretty cool. You can look at it from different angles. Of course, all the different planes are flat, as they would be on a 8-bit game like this or a 16-bit game like this with, 2D kind of thing. And what this reminds me of actually is a VR emulator that you can run on a headset and actually play this game and have it kind of look like this in VR. It's pretty cool. I'm going to open up one of these and let's take a look and see what the frame looks like. All right, so I got this one out of the box. They are freestanding, or you can mount them with the thing here in the back. This will fold down like so. The dimensions on this are 9 by 9 inches or 23 by 23 centimeters. I think they're designed for you to buy a bunch of them so that you can fill up a wall perhaps. I'm sure that was part of their thought process. And the price varies based on the game, so it's quite a range of pricing, at least what I'm seeing here. But they've got a lot of the bases covered. There's a lot of Sega stuff, a lot of Konami stuff. So as you browse around Amazon, I'm sure you can find the specific games that you're looking for. And some games have multiple editions available. One oddity here is that they come with, at least this one did, came with like a little badge that you can stick somewhere on the front, but it didn't come stuck to the front. You got to stick it yourself. And what I was curious about was whether or not we can take it out of the frame here. So let me open this up here and see what happens when we take the clips off the back. All right, so let's do the teardown here and see what happens. So this is all glued onto this back panel, so it looks like it's got a piece of foam core here that all of this stuff is mounted to. So this will give you an idea of, geez, as I break it, this will give you an idea as to how it's constructed. So it's pretty delicate. You definitely don't want to take it out of the frame here if you can avoid it. But still looks pretty cool, and it's something that you might be able to modify if you're feeling up to it. But again, everything is kind of glued together here, so this will be a little difficult to get at, but this should give you a sense of how it is constructed. So I am going to put this thing back together, and you'll find an affiliate link in the video description if you want to find some of these for yourself. And that'll do it for now. Until next time, this is Lon.TV. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Hot Sauce and Video Games, Brian Parker, Chris Allegretta, Tom Albrecht, Thomas Anfang, Jim Tanis, and Handheld Obsession. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.